Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Jose Vigoro. I am the Good Teacher of the Good Teacher articles and the Good Teacher videos. And today we're going to be covering the cross-cancellation method. Now, the cross-cancellation method is only used for multiplying fractions. Or at least that's what I know right now. So, here's an example of how to do the cross-cancellation method. Let's say we have 7 over 6 times 3 over 9. Now, if you already know what the cross-cancellation method is, that's an awesome thing to know, and you guys can just move on and watch other videos. However, if you have no idea what that is, I believe this can help you just a tad bit. Now, when it comes to the cross-cancellation method, please take into account it's called cross-cancellation. So it's literally going across. Cancellation method means we're going to try and cancel these numbers. No, we're not going to get rid of them. They're going to change. And the way to do that is you need to know your division. So I know there is no number that 7 or 9 share. We can't really cancel these two, so they're going to be left alone. However, when I look at the 3 and the 6, they do share a common number. In this case, it is 3. So I'm going to divide 3 by 3, and this will give me 1. And then I'm going to divide 6 by 3, and this will give me 2. So now I'm just going to multiply normally. 7 times 1 is 7, and then 2 times 8 is 18. That's my answer. If I had done it the longer way, it probably would have taken me slightly longer, and I may have to simplify in the end. But this made it much easier. I don't have to simplify at all. Now let's try another one, just to see if you guys get the idea. Let's do 8 over 9 times 15 over 16. There we go. That's what I meant to put, I promise. Now, when you look at this, we have to figure out what numbers can go inside each number. Let's take a look at the number 8 and the number 16. We know that 8 can fit inside 16, so that's going to be our greatest common factor. We're going to divide 8 by 8, which gives us 1, and we're going to divide 16 by 8, which gives us 2. How did I get the 1 and how did I get the 2? Well, if you know your division, 8 divided by 8 is 1. 16 divided by 8 is 2. Now I'm going to move on to the 9 and 15. Some of you may get confused. Well, there's no number between 9 and 15 that can fit. Actually, yes. If you count by 3s, 3s can go inside 9 and 15. So I'm going to divide 15 by 3, and that's going to give me 5. And then I'm going to divide 9 by 3, and that's going to give me 3. So now I just multiply like normal. 1 times 5, 5. And 3 times 2 is 6. That's my answer. See? Not that difficult at all. We're going to do one more equation, and then that'll be it. And I want you guys to practice on your own. Just look up cross-cancellation practice online, and you can give it a shot. So, let's do 4 over 5 times 15 over 16. So, same thing as before, we're going to cross-cancel. I know 4 can go inside 16, so our greatest common factor is going to be 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 16 divided by 4 is 4. Good. Now we look at the 5 and the 15. Please remember this. If a number ends in 0 or 5, you can divide it by 5. And in this case, 5 is our greatest common factor. So we're going to do 5 divided by 5, which gives us 1. And then 15 divided by 5, which gives us 3. And then you multiply normal. 1 times 3, 3. 1 times 4, 4. And that is our answer. I do hope these videos help you and that you can share them with friends and family so they can have a chance at their math courses. Anyways, y'all, I wish y'all a great night and a great week. God bless.